happiest moment of the day. Super Sod truck is here, and I have 4 bags of soil cube coming. 2 for me and 2 for my neighbors. That is just the coolest machine. And so my big plan, we're gonna do an Eat My Neighborhood campaign. This is across the street from my house. It's gonna be really easy for me to keep track of. And my new sweet garden helper, Callie, lives here. So we're having 2 big bags delivered here. We're actually gonna plan to use some of the soil for the house right behind them. That's Peggy's house. She's really gotten into gardening, so we're gonna basically create foodscapes in these houses around me, and then maybe this summer we'll be able to expand the program to more people in our neighborhood so that everybody can grow as much food as possible in their existing landscape areas. It's like Christmas. Big yellow bags of soil, black magic, everything grows in it. It's really amazing to see what this space looks like in just a few weeks once we get this foodscape started. So I got 2 bags for my yard and 2 bags for my neighborhood foodscape crash. And happily, Soil Cube is still up and running for home delivery. No human interaction needed. You can order online. If you want to have a successful growing season, this is where you start. This soil is truly the black magic that every southern gardener has been waiting their whole life for. So check it out, soilcube.com. Awesome selection of vegetables from Bonnie Plants here at our local Home Depot, and a hard-working Bonnie employee making it so that we all have access to quality vegetables to put into our home landscapes.